unlimited, guys. This is totally for free, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Hey gamers, today I'll show you a hunting sniper hack for iPhone and Android. So as you can see, I'm broke, but in the mod menu we can turn on unlimited coins and gems. So I'm going to turn this on, and let's see if it goes up. And hopefully we do see an increase. So this is the hunting sniper values at the moment, and I'm hoping to see that this starts going up. So let's see what happens. So as you can see, it's not increasing. So let's see. Look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this to your device. It works on iOS and Android. So let's go. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and go to tweakmod.com. So this is the website, guys, right here, where you can download the hunting sniper hack. So just type in hunting sniper, press install. Before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. You just got to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. 100% free, guys, from official app store. So let's just give it a second for this to load here, as you can see. And we do have Apple and Android logos right there, so it does work on both, which is awesome. So I'm just going to let it download, as you can see. Alright, so yeah, it's super cool, guys. So we'll just give it a second for this to go ahead and load up. So yeah, let's just see what happens. Alright, here we go. So yeah, now we just got to do the verification, which is the last step, where you got to download 2 apps and follow instructions. So as you can see, we got all the apps here, so just pick 2 of them. So like DraftKings, you got to search something up. Family Island, you got to reach level 11. This one's a game. Then we got like True Finance, you got to search something up. Underdog, down and run for 30 seconds. There's a video to watch if you're confused, but that's how to get hunting sniper hack for your device. So be sure to try it out. See you guys later. But yeah, I don't really do videos anymore, but I had to share this because it actually works, guys. Unlimited currency and hunting sniper. So I'm gonna see you guys in another one, and peace out, bro.